Welcome to this tutorial. Now that you have loaded a Photoshop file onto the Photopea website, now we can see what are the different elements inside a Photoshop file. Come to the Photopea website. Here you can see the image is being loaded. You can see there are various images and text on this particular Photoshop file, and each of these items are called layers. So you can see each on the right side there is a layers panel, and in the layers panel you can see there are certain things with a T on it. These are actually text layers, and there are things other than that which are either shape layers or image layers. Okay, each layer has certain properties such as opacity, whether to hide or not, and other layer styles as well. We'll go to the I button near the layer. The I button basically allows a particular layer to be shown or hidden. You can see when I click the I button, that with teacher's name text has been disappeared or it appears back on. So the I button basically decides whether to show that or not. If you don't want any particular element on this image, you can actually unhide it or simply delete it by going to this bottom right corner delete layer. That will actually delete the layer. So I'm just deleting that for testing purpose. Now I'll go and do a undo. All right. That is it for showing or hiding layer. Now another important concept that I want you to know is the order in which the layers are arranged. You can see this meditator layer. Now I'll introduce to this move tool or selection tool. Click on the move tool. Make sure the auto select is selected and click on the this image. That will actually select the corresponding layer from the layers panel. So the meditator layer is selected. Now I am actually moving this down below the circular background. So now you can see the circular background comes above and the meditator is now below. So you are not able to see the meditator's image properly because the order is circular background on top of meditator. You will be able to understand if the opacity of the circular background is increased. See, you will not be able to see the meditator layer itself properly. So I'll take it back and I'll keep the meditator layer on top of circular background. So likewise, each and every single layers, the ordering of the layers is important. And if you are not seeing any of the layers as you wanted it to see, it is probably because that layer is below some other objects, some other shape or some other layers, and it is actually not being visible. All right. That's it for layers and how to hide and position the layers. In the next tutorial, we'll have how to move the layers and how to lock layers together.